So I got one more left. I just want to thank all you guys for your such round of applause. Thank you so much. We did the records. This has been our funnest time, most fun time over here in the UK. Love it. Hope you can come back soon. Thanks for caring about our band here. So, this is for our friends and hopefully new friends.
It's been 2 years since I've taken this way home. It's comforting to know not much has changed from the fields we used to roam. Sneak into those 2 abandoned homes. Everyone's a writer, I just have a general vibe. There's signs in every yard. Everyone's a writer, but a piece of plastic to pretend to make my mind. And I still take that advice from my best friend. Rather take that advice from my best friend. And kind of sinking a ship down to the bottom with them. I'll go to the bottom with you. I'll go to the bottom with you. Thinking back, I'm thinking forward. Out this band, I wouldn't have a good one, 'cause these places don't hold me down. They fucking carry me, everyone's a writer, I just have a general vibe. There's signs in every yard. Everyone's a writer, but a piece of plastic doesn't tend to make my mind. And I still take bad advice from my best friends. Rather take bad advice from my best friends. And gotta think we step down to the bottom with them. I'll go to the bottom with you. I'll go to the bottom. Sometimes I can't believe the things I get myself into, because laying low has never made my sense. Sometimes I can't believe the things I get myself into, because laying low has never made much sense to me. And I still take advice from my best friend.
Super big guitarist though here, I promise.
I still take bad advice from my best friends. Rather take bad advice from my best friends. And gotta sinking ship down to the bottom with them. I'll go to the bottom with you. I'll go to the bottom with you. So keep on spinning, don't stay behind. My closing speech, fuck your world, I'll take mine.